The presence of this plant in your home attracts money as a magnet. Amazing! The Crassula ovata is a popular plant known as the jade plant or money plant. This is a beautiful plant with small pink or white flowers. Originally it comes from South Africa, but it is popular around the world like plant of interior. A Taiwanese legend tells that a farmer worked all his life, but never prospered. This man was very superstitious. He lived in a small valley, and one day when he went to the country like every day, he saw a small and unusual plant that he had never seen before. His first thought was that his prayers had been heard, and that God had sent him this plant as a gift to give him the opportunity to be rich. He took the plant home and began studying it. She realized that it was unusual, but still very beautiful. This is a beautiful plant, with vibrant green leaves symbolizing growth and renewal. It is very similar to the jade coins which, on the other hand, symbolize wealth and prosperity. This plant is very common in workplaces of business owners, and it has become tradition to give it away so that businesses can walk well. The principles of Feng Shui say that this plant attracts riches because it radiates positive energy and, therefore, has a positive impact on life in general, especially in the area of business. According to Feng Shui, this plant gives money and fortune because it is well-rooted and its vibrant energy symbolizes new growth. This plant is also called money tree, and is considered to produce good vibrations and generates prosperity to entrepreneurs. In China, this plant symbolizes good luck, so it is ideal as a gift for prosperity, wealth and fortune in a new home. In case you want to visit a couple of newlyweds or a business opened, the Crassula is ideal as a gift. This money plant increases your bank account, will help you pay the mortgage, credits or debts. If you want to attract money, buy yourself a Crassula and put it in your home. It does not matter where you put it. And the more plants you have, the more money you'll attract. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give a like.